Are you getting gray hair? Are you putting on body fat and it's difficult to do a push-up? Then you need to start supporting your endocrine or hormonal system. There are some nutrients that you need to take. Simplex M, as in male, it's the protomorphogens for all your hormone producing glands. To support them, you need to be taking wheat germ oil. It's a specialized type of oil that gives you whole food vitamin E complexes to support and fuel your endocrine system. From a male perspective, Cataplex F tablets. Cataplex F tablets has hyaluronic acid to drive minerals into your tissues. And of course, the mineral of choice for men is zinc. That's called zinc liver chelate. It's a really whole food form that's very absorbable, very useful for your immune system as well, but certainly for men for hormone production. I'm going to leave links below to these nutrients. My name is Dr. Augustine from Head to Wellness. Have a great day.